What's up, guys? It's your boy Jake Fry, the car guy, and we're back again with a 2022 LARIAT F150 crew cab four-wheel drive with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. This is a great way to option out your truck. Has a lot of the equipment you need while skipping a lot of the stuff you don't. We've got on this truck here as equipped today your chrome front bumper and LARIAT style specific chrome front grille, as well as your chrome wrapped Ford badge there. You've got front sensors as well as rear sensors and LED lights with the newly redesigned light housing here. We've got chrome front hooks for towing, for getting your buddies out of the ditch. And we've actually got options, specifically the 20-inch chrome PVD-like wheels. Coming down the side, another additional option that we have on this truck is these power deployable running boards, which has never been available until 2022 on the F150 LARIAT. And another new feature, even on your limited, on your platinum F150s in the past, is this this kick button right here that will, with one kick of the button there, actually drop down or lift up your running boards. They will also deploy or raise up as you open and close your doors. We've got a remote tailgate as well as remote start on this F150, and that drops down the tailgate powered, super convenient and super easy. And you've also got the clamps that are familiar and available on all 2022 F150s, and you additionally have a 3-prong charger in the bed of the truck here. I'm gonna hop on in the truck here, guys. We see our backup sensors. This is a tow package truck as well, which we'll tell you about with the FX4 off-road, skid plates, better suspension, different drive modes. Let's get you that cold start and we'll check it out. The interior of this truck has been newly redesigned for 2022 as well. We see our leather wrapping on the door as well as the dash, and those do match. We've got our Bang & Olufsen sound system integrated in, as well as F150 specific weatherproof mats. As we come to our seating, we've got heated and cooled seating as well as a heated steering wheel, which is allowed with the perforations here. And you see we've got a nice two-tone option going here today with the gray and black trim. Super nice, and that is mirrored on our center console and really the entire look of the truck as well. So we open up that center console, you're gonna see this removable sliding tray as well as the massive amount of storage space present in our 2022 Ford F-150. If you press this back, it will automatically lock into place, revealing both a USB, USB-C, and a wireless QI phone charger, which is super convenient, super easy. Everybody likes being hands-free. The law likes us being hands-free these days, and we're all about following the rules here at JC Lewis Ford. We've got select shift on this 10-speed automatic transmission, paired with our 3.5 liter EcoBoost is going to be a very powerful experience with the F-150, and it will tow just about anything you're going to be able to hook behind a truck of this size. We've got 3 level memory seats, so 1, 2, 3. You just hold these down with your current seating setup, and it will save that seating position. Automatic windows, just a push of a button, they'll lower all the way down or raise all the way up. And we also have power folding in and folding out mirrors there with blind spot. Those are heated mirrors as well, so those cold icy days you'll still be able to see what's coming up beside of you in your blind spot, etc. We've got the Pro trailer on board right here, which will actually turn into a wheel when you're in reverse and have the proper setup, as well as an integrated trailer brake, 4 high, 4 low, and 4 automatic, which we don't see on our XLTs. You've got your slippery mode, deep snow, sand, mud rut, and your rock crawl mode, as well as tow haul, normal, eco, and sports mode. And each one of those gets a different graphic, and those are newly redesigned, as well as the center productivity screen being bigger than the past F-150 screens. The XLT, even in 2022, still has a physical speedometer, I believe physical tach as well, whereas this is an entirely digital center productivity screen with really nice updated animations from Ford. We also see our Sync 4 technology here, which does Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation. It even connects to some of the new features we see, like our driver's assistance, our running boards, our zone lighting, which is brand new for the 2022 truck. We can turn on all zones, or maybe the 21, but turn on all zones. We can turn on just the side lighting, front lighting, and side. However we want to do it, the F-150 2022 is there for us. Guys, this is an awesome truck. From the dual glove boxes to the giant panoramic moonroof, that's right. Sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it, we've got it down here at J.C. Lewis Ford Statesboro. Go ahead and mash that like button, press that subscribe. We want to see you again because we've got more great F-150s, Ford trucks, Ford cars. We've got everything coming to you this year. Jake Fry, the car guy, Walker Paul Tetters, good to see you here. Thanks.